It's a pretty cool place. If you're ever in Canton, it's worth a check out because it's pretty impressive. Well, that didn't go as expected. Obviously no air conditioning, no bathroom, no nothing. I guess if you do the crime, you get to do the time. Good morning from Lake of the Pines, East Texas, just outside of Jefferson. You can hear this chorus of birds this morning. Birds chirped all night last night, but pretty good night. Pretty nice out here. Gonna get up and make some coffee in a little bit, and be time to get on the road. But yeah, pretty good night. No complaints at all. Time to start breaking this thing down. As you can see, I've kind of started already. Get it all packed up. Get up there and get that bike uncovered. And get on the road. There's some storms coming into Dallas-Fort Worth later this afternoon, so I definitely want to beat those. I've got 3 stops to make once I leave here. So in a little while and we'll be on the road. As always, thanks for rolling on too, and we'll see what's coming up next. All right, we're wrapped up at camp. It's 9 o'clock, perfect timing. Fixed to be on the road. Let me tell you what our miles were yesterday. We went 355.4. Today won't be nearly as bad, but it's going to be a good day. Going to get out of here and try to get home this afternoon before the weather hits. But thanks for rolling on too, and we are on the road. I've passed by this place a whole bunch of times when I've been in Canton, and I've never stopped, but this time it's on the Motorcycle Grand Tour of Texas, so I'm going to stop and take a peek. But the Zandt County Veterans Memorial, we're going to walk through it real fast. Pretty cool place. If you're ever in Canton, it's worth a check out because it's pretty impressive. Probably one of the better veterans memorials that I've seen around. Anyway, back on the road. Thanks for holding on to. I made a little quick stop at a QT in Kemp. Got a little drink and a slice of QT pizza, which is pretty darn good. Headed on down. We have about 10 miles to go to our next stop in Kemp, and then it'll be about from there an hour to the house. So thanks for holding on to it. We're moving on down the road. it's definitely one old school jail. Obviously no air conditioning, no bathroom, no nothing. But I guess if you do the crime, you get to do the time. But as the sign says, legend has it that Bonnie Parker and of the Bonnie and Clyde fame and one other person were held here back in 1932. So pretty cool, off the beaten path little stop. So fix to get on down the road. I think it's time to head to the house. Well, that didn't go as expected. We're going to sit here for a minute and let the baby come back. So I'm going to get on the road like this. One surprise after another. I'm almost home. I'll give you a mileage check in just a second. Man, when I passed that car fire, I could really feel the heat coming off of it. I didn't want to sit there and wait for the fire trucks to get there, but everything was hot and was rolling. All right, made it home. Put my glasses back on here so I can see what my mileage is. Today was 176.0. For the trip, 531.4. What a great weekend. What a great overnighter and back. Enjoyed the camp out. Saw a couple cool sights on the tour. Just got out to ride. It was nice getting back on the bike after our long trip, and I'm glad to be back home. So thanks for rolling on too, and I will see you later.